Hello, welcome to this video. I'm CraftyRia. Today, I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing from the Sizzix clearance sale, their most recent clearance sale. They do have a clearance sale going on right now, though, a new one. It's called Feeling Festive Sale, and it's up to 75% off. I will put links in the description box below, so you can go check it out. And that link's an affiliate link, so it helps me out a little bit. If you do use that link, it lets them know I sent you. So some of the things I purchased from the sale are still available. Some of them may or may not even be on sale right now. So check them out. We will open them up together and see what we got. The first thing we got were these little festive trees, framelits. Framelits are very thin dies. I thought these would be great for recycling cards. I can cut out some of the elements of the greeting card. So these are what they look like. It makes different size triangles, and each of these are separate. So you can use this piece here to emboss, and then the larger piece will cut. So we have a cut and an emboss, a cut, emboss. That's how it goes. And that is kind of what they end up looking like. If you cut them together, it'll emboss the edges. I think it'll cut out the little circles. Or maybe, no, they just emboss. They're just, I don't think the circles actually cut out. They're shown here as white, but they're embossed. And I wonder if they just put some white ink on that. So you can cut them out in pieces like that, or you can even put the smaller one in and cut out the centers. Very cool. I think that would be very versatile as far as recycling Christmas cards. Then we have these stamps, clear stamps. I thought they'd be great, of course, for sentiments in cards like "My heart is so happy," "Oh, happy day," "Happy birthday," and many more. Choose happy, be happy, think happy, and all of those. And they have some birthday ones too. So let's open this and see what they look like on the inside. They come in this nice little plastic folder, which is great for storage. And here is the stamps. Here are the stamps. They do come off easily, which is great. And you can use an acrylic block to do your stamping. Of course, the acrylic blocks are sold separately, but many of us have them. There. So that is a cool set. You can even use your label maker and put the name of the stamp set at the top if you wish. And I do not believe these are still available on the website, but those trees are. This one here is Thinlits Rainbows. Love this. This is still available on the website. And I will put links to these below so you can find them easily if you are interested. So they also come in a really nice little folder. I think what I'm going to do with this one is I will put a piece of magnet in here and it'll hold the dies perfectly. And it's sealed on both sides. I'm just taking this part off. Easier said than done. Here's the box, what they look like when they're cut out. And then here are the dies in here. So the rainbow parts are together. They're not separate little dies. So you cut that and it'll cut 4 pieces together. You have 3 different sizes of rainbow, which is quite cool. This is great for scraps, to use up your scraps. You have this little heart one. As you can see, they cut hearts out of that. So they fit probably along the bigger one, where you could cut that out. And then this one here has dots. Same idea. Then we, as you can see in here, we have all these little clouds, and then we have extra hearts here. So that's pretty cool. And there's different shapes of the clouds, different sizes. Very cool. I will put this away. I really like this set. This is still available, but I believe most of these things are regular price at the time of the filming of this video. Then I bought these 2 because I think they match. So we have a 3D embossing folder and layered stencils. I've not used stencils very much, and I don't have very many 3D embossing folders. So these will be fun to play with. You can look forward to seeing more videos in the future using some of these items. And by the way, if you have FOMO, fear of missing out, my channel members get to see my videos a day early, at least a day early. So I love how everything comes in these nice folders. So here is the 3D embossing folder, and it is very deeply etched. So pretty. Check your machine and your sandwich. You might have to use a different sandwich for these than for the regular, since I believe they are thicker. And then here are the stencils. So that is an idea of the stencils. Let's see if they match up. So there are 4 pieces here, and you do like each piece a different color. And let's open this up and see if it actually does match up. So if I match this up with that, yes, the leaves match up here. That piece, these all match up. So I'm assuming the rest of it will also match up. There. You just have to find like those flowers match up. So what you would do is emboss your cardstock first, and then layer your stencils over it and do your different colors. And then you can end up with something like that, but it would be embossed. Very cool. I love this. I can't wait to play with that. I'm going to cheat and put them both in the same envelope. And then that leaves me another envelope for something else. Don't tell Sizzix I cheated. And those are still available on the website. This is also still available. And this I thought was really cool. I don't do a lot of work like this, but I'm excited to try. This is a layered stencil and stamp set. Knife trouble. There we go. Now their stencils are, they have these little holes in them. They're made to be used with their stencil positioner. I'm going to try doing it without the positioner. I'll see how it goes since I do not have that. Here are the stamps. So we do have some architectural images, and then we also have some other things. And it comes with this really sturdy piece of cardboard. There we go. And then we have these pieces. Then we have trees. And then we have this. So I don't think they need to be layered on top of each other perfectly. But I think if you're using them, you put them on your paper, and then I would mark these holes in your paper. Just, use a pen or ink or whatever and mark those holes. And then when you lift it up, those holes will stay on your paper and you can line up the next one the same way. For the one I showed previously, those flowers, it would be more important to line them up. And here is an example of what they did in an art book. My bird Crichton says hi, by the way. So anyway, there is the set. Very cool. And that is still available on the website. Then we have this set of paper. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is their opulent cardstock pack. And it is the Mystical collection. This is no longer available, or at least not currently available. But it is beautiful. And I will say this was very inexpensive in the sale. And it has 50 sheets, I believe. Yeah, 50 sheets of paper, which is a lot. Or I should say cardstock. And we have colors here. We have Carnation, Mirabella Purple, Pistachio, Cosmic Silver, and Moonshine. And Ombre. And of course, we have this sample sheet here, which keep those little strips because you can use them. Okay, so we have all of these pieces, but I'll show you the big ones. There's a bunch of these. This is so pretty, this ombre, and it's glitter. I love glitter cardstock. If those of you that watch me on Monday Night Live know that this is right up my alley, this here is this, I'm trying to get the camera to get it. Really, really pretty. A glitter holographic. This is a glitter ombre. This is glitter holographic. You can see the different holographic pieces, and in person, it's amazing. This is iridescent. And you can see that. And this silver one is really pretty. They just call this one holographic. Very pretty. You can see my mic and my camera. All right. And then this one here is mirror. So pretty. I love this. This is gorgeous. Very happy with this set. I think it was around $5. So that is like a steal. Then we have this one. This is in the sale right now. And I think it's $6.50. on sale. I don't remember what I paid for it, about that much. I'm going to get another one. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell Todd. I'm going to buy more because that's a great price for this. They have a bunch of different packs, and they vary in price on sale. I think original price is $30, and they vary in price. $6.50, $10, $13. I mean, any of those sale prices are great. So here is our little strip that shows you what each piece is. And I will link this in the description. You need to run out and grab this pack for sure. So we have just some teal glitter. Then we have a matte. Which is like a metallic, but it's a matte look. It's not super reflective. Very pretty though. And then a brushed metal. I don't know if you can see, but there is like a little lines across it, giving that brushed finish. I'm trying to make my light hit it just right. It's hard for the camera to pick up. It's really pretty. Then we have pearl. No, this one is mirror. They're not in the same order. This is mirror. And this one is pearl. And it's really hard to see, but it does have a little bit of a sheen to it. And that is this set right here. Very cool. This one is still on the website for $6.50. I will say their shipping was kind of slow, so just be patient. But I did get almost everything I ordered. Some of the stuff was sold out. So get your order in early. As of the time of filming this video, there is the Feeling Festive sale up to 75% off. This is $6.50. The other things that I showed are not in today's sale, this current sale, but they are still available on the website. But there's tons of stuff for sale right now, so go check it out. Like I said, I'll put all the links in the description. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite thing was, and if you are going to rush out and check out this sale. I invite you to join my crafting community on Facebook. It's called Create with CraftyRia. I'll put the link in the description box below. It's a great community. I think you will enjoy it there. If you enjoyed this video, please do click that like button. I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. It's free, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, or on Monday nights when I go live. You'll get a notification. That's Monday night, 7 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.